So that is why you just slept in the car so that you don't have to go home.
Yeah, because my husband and I drank alcohol. And a few years ago, my family enjoyed this life, and we enjoy traveling, over traveling, traveling many places. So sometimes we often sleep in our
In the
car.
car.
In the
Oh, so
car.
the children are also used to that.
Yeah, yeah, but
That's amazing.
yeah, I assure you. Ermini, see,
Wow.
can you
It's,
see?
yes. And it's like, yes, it's very cloudy. So it's still very early in the morning. And it's so quiet. Oh,
Yeah,
that's really fantastic.
yeah.